Hello everyone and a very good afternoon to you. I am Riddhi Datta Gupta and I am a published author under Scholastic Asia. I write on Quora and I believe most of my followers here are from Quora. And I would just like to begin by thanking you all for the overwhelming love that I have been receiving, and I really cannot describe in words how thankful I am to you. However, let's just leave that behind and move on because that's not why I'm here today. I'm here for a much greater cause. I believe that most of you have seen my author's certificate that was presented to me by Scholastic. That certificate does nothing more than verify me to be a published writer, and trust me, I've been so happy to be honored enough to receive that I've flaunted it everywhere. I've been absolutely very proud of it, to say the least. I get a lot of messages from young aspiring writers for some guidance. A lot of them are just fascinated by the certificate I possess and want to have it as their possession as a addition to their glory. I interact with a lot of talented writers every single day who weave beautiful stories. Some go ahead and apply for scholastics. The people who clear it have been sending me overwhelming messages of gratitude and are over the moon. I just cannot tell you how happy I am for them. I'm really happy with all my heart. However, a few writers come back to me completely disheartened. Some could not clear the tests by tough competition of merit. Some face family or financial issues for which they could not pursue their dream. There are a plethora of problems. I have seen people considering themselves as failures because they could not achieve that certificate. I have seen people wanting to give up on their dreams of becoming an author because they could not be just like me. I say it out aloud. I say it myself. I am a published author under Scholastic. I say it. I have done nothing great by achieving that certificate. As a child, my grandfather was the best storyteller I ever knew. He was not a published author. In fact, he had no connection with the field of writing. However, he will always remain the writer I aspire to become. All this while, I have had just one single question traveling with me in the journey. I might be an author, but am I worthy of calling myself a storyteller? Maybe one day I will be, and I will wait until then. I'll just keep waiting and hustling. The longer the wait lasts, the better. Something I really realized in this journey is not all authors are storytellers, but all storytellers are authors. Maybe they do not have their own books published under their names, but they write gorgeous life stories. I can say by experience, nobody can ever judge the writer in you, and no certificate can ever verify you as an author. Your talent, your ability to manipulate and hypnotize words, your persistence, your hard work, your passion, your love, your madness towards writing stories makes you an author. Your crazy passion makes you a storyteller, nothing more. Trust me, dear audience, you don't need the name of a big publication house to be recognized. Talent finds its way. Nobody can understand your art more than you do, but to make your reader feel through your words is the task of a good writer. To all the aspiring authors who think that one scholastic certificate will take you places, I'm sorry to say you're absolutely wrong. Keep hustling, you'll go places. Thank you so much for hearing me out. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.